Yeah, I will talk to you later. Bye bye. Love you too. Take care. Oh, hello and welcome, my lovely, cute children out there. Today is the second video, and in this video, we are going to get the recap of the story. Chapter number one, Guess How Much I Love You, and we'll be doing question answers, exercise, and various other interesting activities as well. Do you remember the chapter? Do you remember the chapter, How Much I Love You? Yes, I know you must have. You must have read it by now, or you must have seen the video. But let me summarize the chapter once again. This story is about Mother Rabbit and Bunny. Mother Rabbit ka pyara sa baby Bunny, and how they are sitting outside their burrow under the moonlight and loving and sharing their love, or exchanging the loving words for each other. The story is very interesting because it is about kind mother rabbit, उसके क्यूरियस लिटिल बनी के बारे में. हमने बनी को क्यूरियस क्यों कहा? बिकॉज इंडीड क्यूरियस था वो. कैसे? ही wanted, he was in the habit of learning new things, asking lot of questions. Bunny loved asking questions, and now one night, while looking at the shining sky with moonlight all around, he asked his mama, Mama, how much do you love me? And let's see in the chapter what mama answers. How does she shows her? How does she show her love for her bunny? In fact, children, every mother, or in fact every parent, love their children. Sometimes they are not able to express, and sometimes they are. It doesn't mean that they don't love. They do your work, they take care of you, they help you in your homework, they cook for you, they earn for you, they help you to take bath. Everything shows that they love you, though that's their responsibility, yet it has lot of love. All these things show love. So now, what is the story about? The story is about bunny and mother rabbit. So once there was a kind mother rabbit और उसका प्यारा सा कूची पूसा bunny. और bunny was very curious. He loved asking lot of questions और नई नई चीजें सीखने का उसको शौक था. ममा rabbit भी बहुत मजे से उसके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करती थी. One night they were sitting outside their burrow. Now it was night time. They were, burrow means bill. बिल के बाहर बैठे थे और चंदा मामा को देख रहे थे. Now Bunny, again the question popped up in his mind, and he said, Mama, Mama, tell me, how much do you love me? आप मुझसे कितना प्यार करते हो? Now, what answer is Mama going to give? Let's see. She smiled and said, Mama smile करती है और क्या कहती है? Oh my dear, I love you more than anything. I love you beyond my words can express. मैं बहुत से भी ज़्यादा प्यार करती हूँ. Now again a question came in Bunny's mind, and he said, Mama, can you prove? I mean, क्या आप मुझे अपना प्यार दिखा सकते हो? She had an idea. She hopped, और वो क्या कहती हैं? मैं तुमसे इतना प्यार करती हूं, कितना? As high as I can hop. मैं जितनी ऊंचे से हॉप कर सकती हूं. अब बनी फिर से गिगल करने लगा, हंसने लगा. कहता है, डू यू नो मामा, मैं भी उतना प्यार करता हूं जितना ऊपर मैं हॉप कर सकता हूं. The mother rabbit chuckled. मामा को हंसी आ गई. Chuckling is laughing quietly. और सोचने लगी कि बच्चा उनकी कॉपी कर रहा है. एंड व्हाट डिड शी सेड? एंड सेड, थैंक यू, इतना प्यार, बट डू यू नो हाउ मच आई लव यू? तुम्हें पता है मैं कितना प्यार करती हूँ? उसने तो शो किया अपना प्यार. और नाउ ही सेड, बताओ मम्मा कितना? तो उसने कहा, she gently nuzzled his nose. Nuzzling is ऐसे pressing or rubbing your nose against something. So उन्होंने कहा, I love you all the way to the tip of your little nose. मैं इतना ढेर सारा प्यार करती हूँ. अब किसको आइडिया मिल गया? बनी को, बनी गॉट द आइडिया, ही वॉज वेरी हैप्पी, ही नजल्ड हर बैक, उसने भी ऐसे ही प्रेस किया मामा की नोजी को, अपनी नोजी से और गाल को और कहता है, आई लव यू ऑल द वे टू द टिप ऑफ योर नोज टू, मैं भी इतना सारा प्यार करता हूँ। सो नाउ ही वॉज हैप्पी। दोनों के दोनों वापस बारों में चले गए, एंड दे कडल मीन्स एक दूसरे जैसे हग होता है वैसा ही होता है स्नगल्ड भी। सो दे स्नगल्ड ईच अदर, एंड मम्मा भी बहुत खुश थी, बेबी जो बनी था वो भी बहुत खुश था। सोते सोते ही अंडरस्टूड कि उसकी मम्मा उससे कितना प्यार करती है, मीन्स देयर लव वॉज endless, just like the night sky. So this was the story. I hope आपको फटाफट से याद आ गई हो ये story. Thank you so much. But now is the time to do lot of activities, do question and answers. So notebook work time. Ting 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 ting. Bring your notebooks, your pencils, your erasers, and please sharpen your pencils before you start writing, because otherwise your handwriting would not be very smooth and good. So I'm here listening activity. I'll be reading the story and you close your eyes and listen to me. And then we'll be doing the activity which was previous on the previous slide. Let's see. There was a rabbit named Bunny. एक rabbit था जिसका नाम था Bunny. While roaming in the garden, he found a carrot. उसको क्या मिला रोम गार्डन में घूमते हुए? Carrot. When he ate it, जब उसने खाया, the carrot got stuck in the bunny's teeth. वो जाकर उसके बनी के दांतों में फंस गया. Then his friends helped him and make the stuck carrot out from his mouth. और उन्होंने उसकी मदद की and took it out. At last they all became happy and celebrated. वो खुश हो गए और उन्होंने celebrate किया. Now you've understood? I'm moving a bit and you read it on your own. And if you've listened to me, then that's the best way out. चलो अब हम exercise करेंगे इसका. Let's see. Your teacher will read you a story. I've already read a story to you. Now these events are the part of that story only. अब हमें करना क्या है? इसे correct order में डालना है. 1 to 7. Let's see पहले क्या आता है and second क्या आता है, and let's put it in the correct order. Number 1. कौन सा होगा number 1? Number 1 तो यही है कि Bunny finds a big juicy carrot. एक दिन बनी को क्या मिला? एक big juicy carrot. अब उसने क्या किया? Bunny takes a bite of the carrot in his mouth and feels weird. अजीब फील करता है क्योंकि वो फंस गई है उसके दांतों में. Now, Bunny asked his friend for help and Bunny's friend gather around him. अब बनी के फ्रेंड्स आ जाते हैं और बनी उनसे मदद मांगता है. आप चाहें तो इसको इंटरचेंज भी कर सकते हैं कि पहले बनी ने अपने दोस्तों की मदद मांगी और बनी उसके दोस्त उसके आसपास आकर खड़े हो गए. Likewise, you can do that also. Now, Bunny's friend tried to pull out. उसके दोस्तों ने कैरेट को पुल आउट करने की, खींचने की कोशिश की. अब बनी ने प्रॉमिस किया, ओ बहुत पेन हो रहा है, आई प्रॉमिस टू बी मोर केयरफुल, आई प्रॉमिस दैट नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल बी मोर केयरफुल व्हाइल ईटिंग कैरेट्स. बनीज फ्रेंड बहुत खुश हुए. फ्रेंड्स चीयर एंड सेलिब्रेट जब कैरेट वाज फाइनली आउट. सो इसको इंटरचेंज कर सकते हैं, बाकी सेम सब कुछ सही कि बनी को जूसी कैरेट मिला, उसने बाइट लिया, उसके फ्रेंड इकट्ठे हुए और उसने मदद मांगी. हम ऐसा ही कर लेते हैं. लेट्स डू इट लाइक दिस ओनली. बनी gathers around this. I mean, Bunny asked his friend for help and बनी ने जूसी कैरेट पिया और उसने बाइट लिया. अब उसने अपने फ्रेंड्स की मदद मांगी और फ्रेंड्स इकट्ठा हुए. एंड दिस इज हाउ वी विल डू इट. इज दैट क्लियर? Now, question and answers time. And you all know, children, how do we practice question? Uh, you must have done it in your class one as well. See, I personally believe that question answers should not be mugged up. आप ऐसे रटोगे थोड़ी ना, रट लोगे तो कितने answers याद करोगे बच्चा? So, what I personally believe is, after reading the question, you should be in the habit of finding the answer. Let's find out the answer. So first we'll read the question together, and then together we'll find out the answer from the chapter, so that you will start inculcating the habit of finding the answers yourself rather than just mugging up. Is that clear? Good, great going. Let's start. Answer the following question. आइए मिलके इन questions के answer ढूंढते हैं. What did the little bunny love to do? Little bunny क्या करना पसंद करता था? अब जो question से part है वो तो हम कर ही लेंगे. The first word capital, the little bunny loved. लव का loved कर दिया क्योंकि यहाँ पे did है तो loved. अब question का आंसर चैप्टर में ही है. If I wanted, I could have easily told you, but मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप खुद ढूंढे इसको. See, little bunny loved asking questions and learning new things. आपको चैप्टर में भी मिलेगा. Bunny loved asking questions and learning new things. So I'm marking the answer here, answer number one. So what is the answer number one? Bunny loved asking questions and learning new things. So हमें पता चल गया कि हमने आंसर कहाँ से निकाला, ताकि आप याद नहीं करके समझेंगे. If you have read the chapter properly, you've understood, you've seen the video, then your work is sorted. So Bunny loved क्या करने के लिए? Loved asking question. One second. Loved asking. This is I. Asking questions and learning new things. Clear? So Bunny loved asking questions and learning new things. That's it. Clear, children? Let's move on to the next one. Have you done it? You've understood and now you are doing it. Great. तभी तो ये कहते हैं now I understand. See, let's comprehend, let's understand it, let's find out the answer. That life becomes very easy. Let's see the second question now. Where were the mother rabbit and the bunny sitting at night? Mama rabbit और bunny रात को कहाँ बैठे थे? So the mother rabbit and the bunny ये तो क्वेश्चन से था. So I have written it. Now let's find it out. Yeah. कहाँ बैठे थे? See, Mama rabbit or bunny were sitting outside the burrow and looking at the moon. So this becomes our answer number second. Outside the burrow and looking at the moon. So let's do it this way. Answer मिलता है ना तो you get satisfaction that yes, I have found it out. So mother rabbit and bunny were sitting outside their burrow and looking at the moon. That's it. burrow and looking at the moon. The mother rabbit and the bunny were sitting. Where were they sitting? Outside their burrow and looking at the moon. Clear? That's nice. Now, can we move on to the third one? How did the mother rabbit try to show her love? मम्मा रैबिट ने अपना प्यार बनी को कैसे दिखाया? पहले तो क्वेश्चन से ही, द मदर रैबिट, sorry, the mother rabbit tried to show her love by, आप चाहें तो love for the bunny by, और अब let's see where the answer is. क्या किया था मम्मा ने? मम्मा ने अपना प्यार दिखाने के लिए क्या किया था? मदर रैबिट शी hopped and said I love you as I can hop. ये third answer, third का first part. And she gently nuzzled to his nose and whispered I love you all the way to the tip of your nose. ये second part इसका. Because मम्मा ने क्या try किया था? यही तो किया था कि she hopped and said I love you as high I can hop and I love you all the way to the tip of the little nose. So mama ने यही दो किए थे. How much do you love? So you have to write both the points क्योंकि कैन यू शो मी, मम्मा ने, उसने बोला कि कितना प्यार आप दिखा सकते हो, तो मम्मा ने ऐसे दिखाया. अब मम्मा ने, उसने पूछा हाउ मच आई लव यू, सो शी नजल्ड हिज नोज एंड सेड ऐसे. सो यू कैन राइट how did mother rabbit try to show? See how she showed. She hopped. Show me. So how she showed? She hopped and said, I love you as I love. Is that clear? So how would you write? I'll write it. I'll help you out. The mother rabbit tried to show love by hopping and saying, और वो जो लाइन है वो आप इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स में यहाँ पर लिख देना. दैट्स इट. या मदर रैबिट, आप चाहो तो ऐसे भी लिख दो, तो मदर रैबिट हॉप्ड एंड सेड. इसके अलावा ऑल्टरनेट क्या है? मदर रैबिट हॉप्ड एंड सेड, और वो इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स में लिख देना. दैट्स इट. कि वो जितना ऊंचा हॉप कर सकती है उतना. सो हाउ डिड शी शो हर लव? इज दैट क्लियर? Done. Now let's move on to the second part, that is fill in the blanks. Once there lived a dash. कौन रहता था अपनी मम्मा के साथ? Bunny. This is BUNNY, bunny. So आगे देखते हैं. The little bunny loved to ask questions and little bunny को question पूछना अच्छा लगता था और क्या करना? नई चीजें सीखना and learn new things. The mother rabbit hopped to show her love. मम्मा ने नजल भी किया to show her love. मम्मा ऐसे नजल कर रही थी ना. The bunny responded to his mother's love by nuzzling her back. उसने भी ऐसा ही किया. The little bunny slept in the burrow. सो बनी जो है बारो में अपनी मम्मा के साथ जाकर सो गया. आप यहाँ पर हॉप भी लिख सकते हैं. दी मदर रैबिट हॉप्ड टू शो हर लव, नजल्ड एंड हॉप्ड क्योंकि दी बनी रिस्पॉन्डेड टू हिज मदर्स लव बाय नजलिंग हर बैक. सो नजल्ड और हॉप दोनों ही हो सकते हैं. और यहाँ पे भी दी मदर रैबिट ट्राई टू शो हर लव बाय हॉपिंग एंड सेइंग, या हॉप्ड एंड सेड, और वो नजल्ड वाला भी. Is that clear? That's nice. So, see children, इतने सारे words we get to understand, but we forget. And why do we forget? Because we don't write. We are not in the habit of writing. So, as I've told you earlier as well, please make a thin notebook, make it a small dictionary, keep writing and jotting down all the words that you learn in these chapters, and try and make sentences on a board that you have at your place, and use them when you speak to someone. This will actually help you. So once there lived a bunny, the little bunny loved to ask questions and learn new things. Mother rabbit nuzzled. The bunny responded his mother by nuzzling her back. And little bunny slept in the burrow. Now it's true and false time. T for true, false, F for false. Means जो सही है उसके आगे T लगाएंगे और जो wrong है उसके आगे F लगाएंगे in statements के आगे. The little bunny was sitting outside with his father. Bunny अपने पापा के साथ बैठा था क्या? Not at all. So it is false. The little bunny was very curious. क्या उसे चीजें सीखने का शौक था? Of course. So it becomes correct. True. The mother rabbit liked to spend time with her baby. क्या मम्मा रैबिट को अपने बेबी के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना अच्छा लगता था? Of course. लगता था. तो जो सही है उसके लिए true. Both the mother rabbit and bunny hopped and danced at night. क्या वो नाच रहे थे? No, they were not dancing. They slept at night. Now let's connect this chapter to our real life. Let's see कि हमारी लाइफ में क्या बनी से रिलेटेड ऐसा कुछ होता है. Let's read the questions. How do you like to show your love for your family members? आप कैसे अपनी फैमिली मेंबर्स को प्यार दिखाते हो बताओ. Bhai, I hug them, I give them gift on their special day, I make them feel special, make a card for them, or do a bit of work for them, make them laugh and smile and then by doing my own work, keeping the things at right place. तो ऐसे छोटी छोटी चीजों से don't we show our love to our parents? So it is by saying something or doing something. अभी मैंने दोनों ही बात बताई. Saying something means I love you, या saying mama can I help you, or doing something mama का काम करना, कार्ड बनाना, या hug उन्हें गले लगाना. So you have to write down 3-4 things that you do to show your love for your parents. Do you remember a time when someone in your family showed their love for you? क्या आपको कोई और टाइम याद है जब आपके पेरेंट्स मम्मा के अलावा लिखा है यहाँ पर like the mother rabbit did you answer? So do you remember a time when someone in your family showed? आपको जैसे उसकी मम्मा ने प्यार दिखाया तो आपको याद है आपकी मम्मा या पापा या किसी ने प्यार दिया हो? कैसे दिया हो? तो कैसे? I'll tell you my answer. My papa spent a Sunday with me. My mama made my favorite dish. My mama snuggled me in the bed. She cuddled me when I was crying. She helped me in my homework. She spends time with me. She showed her love by spending time and narrating bedtime stories. तो बहुत कुछ होता है जब आपके पेरेंट्स आपको प्यार दिखाते हैं. तो टाइम स्पेंड करना तो सबसे बड़ी बात है प्यार दिखाना. So now you have to find it. बनी क्या है? बेबी है. बेबी रैबिट मतलब ममा रैबिट का बेबी को क्या कहते हैं? बनी. So the little bunny is the baby of mother rabbit. Name the babies of these animals. Now it's an exercise time, and let's drill our brain and let's see कि हमें कितना याद है कि इसको क्या कहते हैं. लायन. लायन के बेबी को क्या कहते हैं? कप नहीं कहते हैं. लायन के बेबी को कब कहते हैं. CUB कब. ये सी है. आप कंफ्यूज ना हो जाओ तो मैं दोबारा लिख देती हूँ. CUB. सेकेंड डॉग. हमें पता है, ये सबको पता है. दैट्स पपी. राइट. इट गोज विदाउट सेइंग. कैट. क्या कहते हैं? बताओ 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 फटाफट. किटन. KITTEN. फोर्थ एलिफेंट. काऊ के बेबी को क्या कहते हैं? गेस. हाँ, करेक्ट। तो एलिफेंट की बेबी को भी काफ कहते हैं। नेक्स्ट मंकी। मंकी को आपको शायद नहीं पता होगा, उसे इन्फेंट ही कहते हैं। जैसे छोटा बच्चा बेबी, सो इट्स इन्फेंट। डन। सो काउ के बेबी को काफ, तो वैसे ही एलिफेंट के बेबी को काफ, डॉग के बेबी को पपी, कैट के बेबी को KITTEN किटन, लायन के बेबी को CUB कब, और मंकी के बेबी को INFANT इन्फेंट। डन। फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स यूजिंग वोकैबुलरी। वोकैबुलरी का मतलब क्या होता है? वर्ड पावर। See, we learned lot many words. I suppose 13. और मैंने आपको हमेशा इसकी importance समझाई है. First chapter में भी I told you that how important words are. But how do you learn words? When you use those words in other way, means in your life, in different situation, wherever that word fits in. So अभी हमने बहुत सारे ये words सीखे थे chapter में. अब क्या time है? Using them in a different situation where it actually fits. So let's understand. The dash kitten went around the corner. एक बिल्ली का बच्चा इधर उधर ढूंढ रहा है, तो जब हमें ढूंढने की इच्छा होती है तो हम क्या हो जाते हैं? हम क्यूरियस हो जाते हैं. The first one is curious, somebody who wishes to learn new things. Second, when the children heard the funny joke, जब बच्चों ने funny joke सुना, which means there are friends sitting together, उन्होंने सुना, they all dash together, वो हंसने लगे जोर जोर से. So कैसे हंसने लगे? Giggled together, because एक साथ हंसे. That's called giggling. The puppy dash against his master. तो पपी ने क्या किया? अपने मालिक को ऐसे नजल किया, ऐसे अपनी नोजी से ऐसे नजल किया. फोर्थ, सारा डैश ओपन हर बर्थडे प्रेजेंट. जब हमारे को बर्थडे पे प्रेजेंट मिलते हैं तो डोंट वी गेट ईगर, जिज्ञासु हो जाते हैं, खोलो खोलो मम्मा क्या है क्या है क्या है. सो द आंसर इज सारा ईगरली opened her birthday present with a big smile. अब ग्रैंडपा डैश व्हेन ही हर्ड द जोक. जब दादू ने जोक सुना तो वो हंसे, थोड़ा हंसे, बट ही लाफ्ड क्वाइटली. और हंसने, लाफिंग क्वाइटली इज कॉल्ड chuckling. So grandpa chuckled when he heard the joke. Wasn't it easy? How it became easy? It became easy because while we were reading the chapter, we sorted the words, we marked them, we understood, and we found the meanings of those words. So now, because we have already learned the meanings, so it became very easy to do these statements. Reason being, now we know the meanings, right? So make sure that you use them. It's not just copying and writing down in your notebook. It's about using it, and practical approach honi chahiye. Let's move on to the next exercise. And next exercise is, imagine you are the bunny in the story. Now it's speaking. We did listening part, we did writing part, now it's speaking part. मैम तो बोलती रहेगी, बच्चे आपकी चांस है. So imagine you are the bunny in the story. How would you show your love for the mother rabbit? आप अपनी ममा रैबिट को कैसे प्यार दिखाओगे? Imagine करो, you are the bunny. How? I would snuggle, nuzzle mama rabbit, or spend time, just like cuddling, it is snuggling. ऐसे snuggle with her in the bed or in the burrow. So आपको 2-3 lines इस पे बोलनी है, जैसे मैम ने बोला. Now let's twist our tongue. Speaking का second part, how to pronounce certain words. See, we understood कि हमने एक spelling देख ली, but the point is difficulty comes when we are not able to pronounce it. उसको बोलना कैसे है, क्या लहजा है. सो हम जैसे बनी में आया लॉन्ग ई साउंड बनी, वैसे ही अब आज हम जो 6 वर्ड्स पढ़ेंगे उनमें हम लॉन्ग ई साउंड वाले वर्ड पढ़ेंगे. फनी, हरी, मनी, stunny, honey, or scurry. Again, read with me. Funny, sunny, hurry, honey, money, and scurry. Can you see the E sound being long enough? और जब आप इसे बोलेंगे तो आपको आदत हो जाएगी, और नेक्स्ट टाइम जब ये वर्ड आपको बुक में दिखेगा तो यू विल प्रोनाउंस इट इन द सेम वे. Now let's picture talk. Look at the picture and say how the mother shows love for her baby. There are two pictures in front of you. Now you have to tell us कि mama कैसे प्यार दिखा रही है. Like in picture number one, you have to speak like this. Good morning, ma'am. I can see two pictures, and in picture number one, I can see mama is is sorry, in picture number one I can see mama has come all the way leaving her household work to drop her child at the bus stop, which means she cares for her child, that she does not want to leave the child unattended. I can see how she is worried about the well-being of the child, and she's watching that he should he should board the bus safely. Second, I can see that mama is a very good homemaker, that she is teaching eating habits, and because the child has this bib on her dress, and she's feeding the child. The child is being cranky, but mama is diverting her mind and feeding the child. So likewise, you have to speak so that you also improve. Ting, ting, ting. Drawing part, interesting part is now you have to draw a card for your mama. You can use a lot of color pencils and show your love. You can write so many things. You can draw a picture and do whatever you want to show your love for her. With this, we come to an end of this interesting second video of chapter number one. Guess. What guess? You've already guessed. So, chapter number one is finished. We've done the reading part, we've done question answers, we've done exercise, and we've done a lot of listening and speaking skills as well. वो ई साउंड वाले वर्ड्स भूलिएगा मत. मिलती हूँ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय बाय, टेक केयर.